আমরাও তো কথা বলছি লোকের সঙ্গে।
কিরম রেসপন্স?
আমার তো মনে হয় ভালো। তো আমাদের তাই ধারণা
अच्छा लग रहा है।
আপনাদের জেতার মানে খুবই সম্ভাবনা
তাও
আছে।
কতটা?
আমার তো মনে হয় খুবই যথেষ্ট সম্ভাবনা আছে, কারণ আগের বারে তো মহুয়া মিত্রর লিড তেমন কিছু ছিল না, 65,000 কোটি জিতেছিলেন বলে, সেটা পার্লামেন্টের পক্ষে এমন কিছু নয়। তো আমার তো মনে হয় মানে আপনি আরো ভালো বলতে পারেন। হ্যাঁ,
এটা কত?
কেন?
এটা কত?
কৃষ্ণনগর শহর
কৃষ্ণনগর শহর বলতে গেলে
কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি পুরোটা।
কৃষ্ণনগর কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি আপনি যদি বলেন পুরোটা 7টা বিধানসভা মিলিয়ে, সেক্ষেত্রে মানে শহরে এবং মানে সাবার্বসে কিছু কিছু জায়গায় কিন্তু ওনার রেপুটেশন নেই, একেবারেই নেই। ওনার যেটা মেন এটা হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে একটা মুসলিম 36%। আপনারা যদি কোনোভাবে যদি সেটাকে যদি সাবমার্জ করতে পারেন তাহলে এটা
অনেকে জয়েন করছে, আবার কিছু রিজিড আছে।
আসলে মানে একটা তো মানে অ্যান্টি ইনকামবেন্স তো আগে থেকে ছিল, আর একটা মানুষের মনে একটা আপনি নিজেও এখন বুঝতে পারছেন যে একটা তো ব্যাপার থাকে সিএ বিসি এনারা হয়তো
সিএ ওরা বুঝেছে, আমার সঙ্গে যেরকম কথা হলো ওরা মোটামুটি বুঝে গেছে যে the chief minister is using them and very importantly use and throw policy. So let's start.
শুরু করা যাবে, ওনার দেরি হয়ে যাবে।
आप अभी तक पॉलिटिक्स में यू आर नॉट।
I have to talk in Hindi.
हाँ, तो
इंग्लिश
इंग्लिश चलेगा।
इंग्लिश
तो मैं बंगाल नहीं बोल सकता, मैं महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ। तो अभी तक आपने पॉलिटिक्स में एंटर नहीं किया था, अभी 2022 में ऐसा क्या हो गया कि आपको लगा कि पॉलिटिक्स में आना चाहिए?
नहीं, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं था.
हाँ हाँ।
So actually BJP had approached me in 2014 also.
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो at that time हमने मना कर दिया.
अच्छा।
So because हमने सोचा कि ये सब मेरे लिए है नहीं, that's not my cup of tea. So again they approached me this year, beginning of this year. So at that time again I declined. I mean, I
First you have declined.
this year also.
This
this
year
time
also.
also, yes. 3-4 times I had declined. So after that, when they came saying you have to do something for your own soil, so that moved me. And very importantly, even as a normal human being and a citizen of India, we are not very happy with the state of Bengal. Everywhere there is corruption, everywhere there is, some crime involved.
हाँ, crime.
So that is something we were not liking. Because when the CPM government was there, people in the end was unhappy. So with a lot of fanfare, people brought in a change, thinking it would be a big change and a good change for Bengal. So that's how Mamata Banerjee came in. So then after that, people started feeling, uneasy. And at least for the last 2-3 years, people are desperate to again move on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So that is the reason.
Yeah, but there's another thing. There's one thing about you that we have heard is that you earlier you never used to stay, or you seldom used to come to this place.
No.
Only after you have started, decided to contest in election,
No.
you
That's
started
absolutely-
staying here. Okay.
That's not a correct thing. Because my husband was with Air India service. So that is how we were not in India only.
Okay, you're abroad.
Yes. For at least 15 years we were not in India. And at that time my father-in-law was in charge. So when he passed away, we came down. And ever since we have divided our time between Krishnanagar and Kolkata. Because I realized, and naturally I have a son also, we realized that this is our identity.
Yeah.
So we divide our time between Kolkata and Krishnanagar.
But why you choose the BJP as a political party?
No,
Why
that
not
is
others?
because BJP is an all-India party. One. Number two, as of now, I have not heard of any scandal or scam. So that is the look. If I want to do something, so I need a platform,
हाँ हाँ
and that also a safe platform. That is the reason.
So, ma'am, did you have any kind of outdoor activity before, like beyond your whatever you did for your family? Like now you're all outdoor, like you have to go out, campaign to people and all that. So, what kind of social activity or
Look, I was looking after the estate
estate actually, okay.
and helping my husband in that.
Okay.
Apart from that, I have been a fashion designer
Okay.
and a decor consultant. Decor consultant. Decor.
Decor consultant, then DECO or decor?
Right.
House and all other this sort of
Events
things.
also.
Events also.
लेकिन कल हम महुआ मोइत्रा जी से मुलाकात की
Actually.
हाँ उन्होंने बोले कि रानी माँ तो यहाँ पे दिखती नहीं एकदम से ऊपर से आ गई है और लोगों से बोल रही है कि वोट दो
देखिए
वोट
एक
दो
बात मैं साफ करना चाहती हूँ. That is, she is saying a lot of things which has no basis. No, she cannot prove it. Like she said a lot of things about my ancestry also. So I have maintained a dignified silence on that. Because everyone knows the history. Unless you know the history of the soil, how can you be efficient in connecting with the people? And Krishna Chandra is a very big name. And another thing is
Legacy.
the connect is very much there.
लेगेसी
Legacy is very, very, very huge. And to maintain that legacy, we are here.
Ma'am, how is the response you are getting throughout your campaign?
Oh, it's euphoric.
Great.
Will you say something about your competitor, the one you are, your rival, one you are fighting?
I have nothing to say apart from that. She's a person I do not know much, and it's not correct to say something about a person who you do not know. And very importantly, what I've just received from her reactions and responses about me only during elections. So that is all negative.
What will be your priorities if you won the election? Priorities of the constituency?
Well, yes, I have to do a lot of things which I believe when I'm going down to the grassroots level, that is villages and panchayats and everything. They are complaining that erstwhile MP and before that, no one has done anything. So I have to take it forward from there.
And madam, how comfortable you are with this being called Ranima? Because Rajas do not exist
Yeah,
anymore,
Absolutely.
and you are being widely addressed as Raja.
Absolutely.
So you are comfortable with that?
Actually, I'm not too much into all that because firstly, I have not told anyone to call me Rani. So if they call me, how can I stop thousands or lakhs of people?
Okay.
So that is something I've accepted.
Okay.
They are calling me that, maybe out of love and respect for Rajbari. And number two is, they are deeply connected with Rajbari because this Rajbari is not 1 day old or 1 month old. It's spanning over 800 years. So that is something they feel that, Ranima is the perfect word. So
So do
it's nothing to do with me.
Okay. So do you also come from some? You're married to a royal family, but
Yes.
like, what about your
My
family?
background. Yes, my father's side is all, legal fraternity.
Legal family.
My grandfather was the criminal lawyer, Shubhanshu Shekhar Mukherjee, who was known as the criminal tiger of criminal law.
Is he practice in Calcutta High Court?
Calcutta High Court and Supreme Court. And his brother was Justice Bijesh Mukherjee, and his father was Justice Roni Gopal Mukherjee. So that is the background.
that is the background.
Yes, so my son has also gone into that
Ma'am,
profession.
what do you think? What is your strength and weakness?
And my mother's side is this zamindari family. That's how I've got married.
Ma'am, what do you think about your weakness or your strength in this book?
Well, I think weakness is initially I thought that coming into politics was something I didn't know. That was a weakness. So I didn't want to come also. So, but now I feel it's not like that actually. You need not be a trained politician to be a politician. So, if you understand the roots and if you understand the mind of the people and if you know the local culture, so that helps you, more to connect and very importantly to know how they want you to function.
क्या अभी तक यहाँ पे बीजेपी का कोई एमपी चुन के नहीं आया?
नहीं,
तो
आए
आपको
थे एक बार।
आए थे जोलू मुखर्जी
जुलूम
आए
कर
थे।
रहे थे एक बार।
लेकिन एक ही बार आए थे। लेकिन क्या लगता है कि ये जो किला है मुस्लिम डोमिनेटेड है, बाकी सब डेमोग्राफी अलग है, तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो किला है आप हासिल कर पाओगे या?
No, it's not like that anymore. Because as I said earlier, people want a change. So that is something they want in a desperate way. Because even in front of me, they are abusing the opposite party, that is the ruling party. So that is something which I feel is, like you said, the strength is my strength. So that is something I would like to work on and very importantly have a positive mindset.
And what are your diets right now? You're
Diet
moving
is
here
all
and
haywire. Diet is all haywire because there's no time for that.
अच्छा मैम, आपको लगता है कि मुस्लिम वोटर्स भी आपको वोट देंगे?
Yes, because lots of Muslims, minorities are joining BJP. Because as I said in the first line also, that they are also fed up and they have understood how the ruling party has used them. And use them and then they don't recognize.
throw it out.
Use and throw policy. So that is it. So